Sangster Airport again. Runway issue causes logistical nightmare for travelers on Sunday as flights turned away. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com or on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, more than a dozen people still in shelter nearly 2 months after burial, and education stakeholders worried students won't be prepared for school due to impact of burial on families. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.